Lesson 13.3, employee benefits. Your objective is to calculate the rate of employee benefits based on annual gross pay. Employee benefits are services offered by businesses to employees beyond salary or wages, such as health insurance, paid vacation, and a retirement plan. Okay, the formula for today is rate of benefits equals total benefits divided by your annual gross pay. All right, press pause, get this written down, and play to resume. Here we go. All right, moving along. Here we have just a few items that that can be considered employee benefits. These are things that your boss can provide for. Health insurance, vision insurance, dental, group life, retirement, Social Security, Medicare, stock purchase plans, paid vacations and holidays, unemployment insurance, disability insurance, and sick leave. Now, some of these are mandatory while others are not. Okay? All right, let's look at example 1. The Personnel Department of Commercial Credit Company is preparing annual reports on employee benefits. Calculate Tamika Ray's rate of benefits. All right, so all it wants us to find is the rate of benefits. Okay, now to do that, all we have to do is take the total employee benefits divided by the annual gross pay. All right, so 14,646.15 divided by the annual gross pay, the annual salary of 41,340. Okay, when you work that out, you should come up with 0.3542 or 35.42%. Okay? Now, let's go ahead and let's look at problem number 1 of your homework. Okay, problem number 1 says complete the table and then calculate the rate of benefits. Now, this is a little more than what we just had to do. Okay, on this one you actually have to find everything. Real quick piece of advice is when it says to find the daily salary, okay, use the weekly that you find for A and then divide it by 5, okay, because you work Monday through Friday in a standard job. So take your weekly and divide it by 5 because you work 5 days a week. Okay, I'm going to give you a second to try this, and then we'll work it out together. Okay, so go ahead and press pause and play to resume. Okay, let's go ahead and let's look at this. Like I said, this one was a little different than the first example. The first example only asked you to find the rate of benefits. So on this one, it actually wants us to find everything. All right, now to find the weekly salary. Well, if this is the annual salary here, 21,860, there are 52 weeks in a year. Divide it by 52. Okay, so 21,860 divided by 52 should give you $420.38. All right. Now it says find the daily salary. Okay, and this one you just got to pay attention to. To find the daily salary, take your weekly salary and just divide it by 5. I know a lot of people like to take the annual and divide it by 365. The thing is, you don't get paid for the weekends. You need a few days off. Okay? So 420.38 divided by 5 is 84.08. All right? Now, you've got a vacation for 2 weeks. Okay? So, take your weekly pay, 420.38 times 2. All right, 420.38 times 2 is 840.76. All right, your holidays, you get eight holiday days. So 84.08 times 8 8408 times 8 works out to be 672.64. Okay, now the next one, health insurance. You have 12 months at 182.50. Okay? The formula is already there. Just multiply that out. 12 times 182.50, and you get 2,190. All right, the next one, sick leave policy is 21 days. Okay, take your daily rate, 8408 times 21. 8408 times 21 is 1,765.68. All right. Now, next one we have is unemployment insurance. It says 4.6% of salary. Okay, in order to find G, take your annual salary, 21,860 times 0.046. I know this is a lot, but you know they're pretty easy setups. Okay, so you should get $1,005.56. Okay, $1,005.56. Now for part H, okay, we're finding Social Security. Same thing, 21,860 times 0.062. Okay, 21,860 times 0.062 is 1,355.32. All right, and finally part I wants us to find our Medicare. 21,860 times the percent, 0.0145, gives us 316.97. Okay, 316.97. All right, now, Part J simply says, what are the total benefits? Okay, add those up. Add all these, add A through I up for the total benefits. All right, when you add those up, you get 8,146.93. Okay, total benefits. But now the question says, complete the table and then calculate the rate of benefits. All right, remember back to your formula, rate of benefits is the total benefits divided by the annual gross pay. So it's 8,146.93 divided by the annual gross pay of 21,860. Okay, divide that out. You should get 0.3726, which means your rate of benefits is 37.26%. All right? All right, let's go ahead and let's look at the homework assignment. Homework assignment is lesson 13.3, page 493, 1 through 9, and 13 through 14. Get busy.